Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Welcome to Online Teaching Academy Ekaleva. Today we are going to see Standard 7 topic Data Handling. You should know what is data. The collection of information in the form of numerical figures is called data. Okay, the number which we obtained in the original form is called raw data. Okay, each numerical figures is called observation. Okay, so you should know what is data. The collection of information in the form of numerical figures is called data. The data which is obtained in the original form is called raw data. And each numerical figures is called as observation. Okay. Now see the first question which is given in the self-practice 15A. Ria obtained the following scores in a vocabulary test: 80, 85, 90, 71, 60, 100. What is her mean score? We are supposed to find her mean score. Let us find our mean score. Okay. See, we have a formula to find mean. Mean is equal to sum of observation by number of observation. Okay, you all know what is observation, right? So each numerical figures is called as observation. Okay, so some means add. Okay, so we are going to add all these observation. What are the observation we have? We got here 80 plus 85 plus 90 plus 71 plus 60 plus 100 by number of observation. How many number of observation we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 6 number of observation. So what we are going to do in this place? We are going to add all these observation. Okay. So what are the observation we have? 80, 85, 90, 71, 60, 100. When you add, what you are getting? 6. So when you add all this, you are getting 38. So 8 carry over 3 and 3 plus 1 4. So we are getting 486. So sum of observation is 486 and the number of observation we have is 6. When you divide this, what you will be getting? 6 ones are 6. Same like that, 6 8s are 48 and 6 ones are 6. So we are getting 81. So mean is equal to 81. What they asked us to find? What is our mean score? Yes. So we have found that mean score is equal to 81. Do you understand this question how to find mean? Yeah, the same procedure we are going to do this for the second sum. Listen to the second sum. Raman's last 6 batting scores were 138, 144, 155, 142, 167 and 172. What is this mean score? We are going to find this mean score. Same procedure. So how will we find? We know the formula mean is equal to sum of observation divided by number of observation. So we are going to add all the observation in this place. Okay. So tell me what are the observation? We got 138 plus 144 plus 155 plus 142 plus 167 plus 172. By what is the number of observation? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we got the number of observation of 6. So when you add everything, yes. That is 138 plus 144 plus 155 plus 142 plus 167 plus 172. When you add everything, you will be getting 918. And what is the number 6. So when you cancel 6 ones are 6, 6 and then 6 ones are 6, 31. So 6 5s are 30 and remaining one 18. So 6 3s are 18. So we are getting that mean score is equal to 153. Let us see the third question. What is it given here? Find the mean. The first one is find 5 natural numbers. We all know what is natural numbers. Naturally, we will call the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So, etc. So, same like that. See the first 5 natural numbers, what we have to take? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? These are the first 5 natural numbers. Okay? And we are going to find the mean for this. We know the formula for mean. Mean is equal to sum of observation divided by total number of observation. Number of observation. Okay. So we have to add all, right? So when you add all the numbers 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. So when you add all, what you will get? Yes, 3, 6, 10, 15. Yes. By how many number of observation we have? 5. So 15 by 5. 5 ones are 5. 5 threes are 15. So the mean is equal to 3. Yes, do you understand? And let us go to the next one. These are first 7 whole numbers. Whole number starts from 0. Okay, so 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Yes, they said first 7 whole numbers. And we know the whole number starts from 0 and it goes on, right? So they are only 7 whole numbers. So I am writing 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. First 7 whole numbers are I am writing. Now we are going to find the mean for this. What is the formula for mean? Sum of observation by number of observation. Let us add all 0 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 by number of observation is 7. So when you add all, you are getting 21. 21 by 7. 7 ones are 7. 7 threes are 21. So what is the mean here? Mean is equal to 3. Okay. So let us go to the next question. First 4 prime numbers. We know that one is negative prime, not composite. So we know the first 4 prime numbers are 2, 3, yes, 5 and then 7. Okay. So let us find the mean for this first 4 prime numbers. What is the formula for mean? Mean is equal to sum of observation by number of observation. Okay, let us add all these observation. 2 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 by how many number of observation we have? 4. So when you add all 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 5, 10, 10 plus 7, 17. 17 by 4. When you divide 17 by 4, what you are getting is it? Yes. We know that for 4s are 16 and remainder is 1, keeping a point, adding a 0, for 2s are 8, okay, and then we are getting the remainder is 2, already we kept our decimal place, so we can add 0, so for 5s are 20, yes. So what we are getting, the answer is 4.25, therefore mean is equal to 4.25. Do you understand? Let us see the D sum now. What is given here? Rupees 7, rupees 19, rupees 31, rupees 43, rupees 70. We have to find the mean for this. Okay. So we know the formula for mean. Mean is equal to sum of observation by number of observation. So now we are going to add all all these observations. What are the observations we got? Rupees 7 plus 19 plus 31 plus 43 plus 70 by the number of observations is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, divided by 5. So when you add 7 plus 19 plus 31 plus 43 plus 70, when you add all these, you will be getting 170. Okay, so 170 by 5. We know we are going to cancel using 5 table. 5 ones are 5, 5 threes are 15, and 2 20. So 4s are 5 4s are 20. So we are getting 34. Therefore, mean is equal to rupees 34. Okay. Then coming to the next sum, Megha worked 2 1/2 hours on Monday, 3 1/4 hours on Tuesday, and 2 3/4 hours on Wednesday. What is the mean number of hours she worked on these 3 days? Okay. We are going to find the mean number of work or mean number of work hours she worked on these 3 days. Okay. We all know how to find this, right? So how will you find mean? Mean is equal to number of sum of observation by number of observation. Okay. Let us add all these observations. What are the observations we got? 2 1/2 plus 3 1/4 plus 2 3/4 by number of observation is 1 2 3, right? Okay, let us add all these. Listen, 2 1/2, that is 2 are 4, 4 plus 1 5/2 plus 3 4s are 12, 12 plus 1 13, so 13/4 plus next 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 3 11, so 11/4 by 3. Okay, so what we have? 5/2 plus same denominator, so we can add the numerator as it is. When you add 13 plus 11, you will be getting 24/4. When you cancel with 2 table, what will you get? 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, then same 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4 by 3. So you are getting 5/2 plus 12/2. Again we are getting the same denominator. When you get the same denominator, we can add the numerators. When you add 5 plus 12, you will be getting 17/2 by 3. Okay, so 17/2 by 3, it means 17/2 into 3, that is 17/6. When you write this in a mixed fraction, what will you get? Is 6 2s are 12. Yes, remaining is 5. So 2 5/6 hours. That means that is I am writing the 17/6 in QRT form. See, I am dividing the 17 with 6. 6 2s are 12. Remainder is 5. So when I write this in QRT form, Q is 2, R is 5, and D is 6. So 2 5/6 hours. Yeah, let us see the 6th sum now. See the 6th sum, what is given. Find the mean of first 10 natural numbers. First 10 odd natural numbers. Okay, we all know what is odd numbers. We all know first of all what is natural numbers. 1 2 3 4 5 etc. are called natural numbers. In that we are going to take odd natural numbers. So the odd natural numbers are, first 10 odd natural numbers are 1 3 5 7 9 11 13 15 17 and 19. These are the first 10 odd natural numbers. We are going to find the mean of this. Okay, let us find the mean. What is the formula for mean? Sum of observation by number of observation. So what are the observation we have here? 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus 13 plus 15 plus 17 plus 19 by what are the how many number of observation we have? Totally 10. Okay, when you add all 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus 13 plus 15 plus 17 plus 19, when you add everything, you will be getting 100. So 100 divided by 10. Okay, so 10 tens are 100. We all know that. So mean is equal to 10. So the mean of first 10 or natural number is 10. Okay, let us see the next one. If the mean of 16, 14, x, 23, 20 is 18, find the value of x. Here mean is given. What is the mean here? 18. And the observation what they have given? 16, 14, x, 23 and 20. They asked us to find the value of the observation x. Okay, let us find it. So we know the formula, mean is equal to sum of observation by number of observation. Here you see we have to add all this. First of all, what is given here? Mean is given 18. So I am writing this 18 in this place. Okay. Now, sum of observation, add all the observations. 16 plus 14 plus x plus 23 plus 20 by how many number of observation we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5. So number of observation is 5. Now what I am going to do? I am going to take this division 5. This side means multiplication 5. So 18 into 5 is equal to, when you add 16 plus 14 plus 23 plus 20, you will be getting 73 plus x. We cannot add x with this one, so we are keeping as it is. Okay. Now what is 18 into 5? 90. 90 is equal to 73 plus x. And 90, this plus 73 becomes minus 73. So 90 minus 73 is equal to x. When you subtract 90 minus 73, what you will be getting? 17. Yes. So the value of x is 17. To receive our online lessons, please press the subscribe button and you will receive the latest update. Thank you, children.